Ano bang mas mahal? Yellow gold, white gold, or rose gold? Gold morning mga madam! Pag bumili tayo ng alahas, minsan mas bet natin ang kulay kaysa value. Pero ang tanong, alin sa tatlo ang mas pricey? Magbabago ba ang presyo sa kulay ng gold? Actually, lahat sila pwedeng same karat. Like 18 karat, which means same amount of pure gold. Ang pinagkaiba, white gold has palladium ang nickel, mas expensive ang process. Rose gold has copper, mas mura ang mix, kaya minsan mas budget friendly. Yellow gold is the most classic, less processed, but same gold content. So minsan white gold ang pinakamahal, not because of the gold itself, but dahil sa alloy mix at process. This is Madam Gold Digger reminding you, hindi lang kulay ang basihan ng value. Alamin mo rin ang composition at craftsmanship. Because true gold lovers know, style is personal, but knowledge is power.